Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be reviewing the Hiclean electric pressure washer surface cleaner, a SurfaceMaxx bought from Lowe's. They're both 12 inches in diameter, and they're part of the same class, which is specifically designed for electric pressure washers. They both have metal inlet features. The issue here is there's even more resistance here, and this is going to be a problem when I'm pushing this around the driveway. And remember, any friction here just means loss of energy, which means you have to compensate for it when you're pushing it around. The Hiclean, super flexible. You have a brass pivot there, very much designed for efficiency in mind. It also has this 6 to 8 inch extension piece on there, which helps us so we don't have to bend over as much as you would have to, because most electric pressure washers have short trigger guns systems. So you definitely want an extension. Either buy one separately or this one comes included with the Hiclean. So the second thing we'll notice is SurfaceMaxx have gone with a standard no wheel system. You're going to rely on the pressure produced by the jets to hopefully make it hover enough. It's going to slide against these little bristles, against your really rough concrete sometimes. It's not ideal. That is sometimes very difficult on your back and problematic. So definitely will find an advantage with a Hiclean model like this or with any other. And there's not really actually a lot of electric pressure washer surface cleaner designed specifically for electric pressure washers that have these rotating wheels on it. So this is very unique on the market. I find that feature to be a game changer for me. And on the underside here, comparing the two spinner mechanisms, the SurfaceMaxx using a metal spinner mechanism, I do believe that not all metal spinner mechanisms are made the same, really freely, with just a push of a finger. And the SurfaceMaxx still has some resistance, so I have to kind of hold the edge here and kind of rotation in the rotation. So overall, there are some similarities, but I still think that the Hiclean technology, along with this extension one in the front, the 360-degree swivel wheels, so I would go with the Hiclean.